This is the Harbor Freight Icon 800 lumen LED rechargeable magnetic handheld work light. It has a major design flaw. The mostly used 800 lumen light is on the outside of the foldable bar. The less used 200 lumen light is on the inside of the foldable bar. In this video, we will show you how to fix this problem. First, you have to remove 6 screws. You will need a 2.5 mm Allen head wrench for this procedure. After you remove the 6 screws, carefully slide off the handle. Once the handle has been removed, you can then carefully separate the two halves. Now rotate the light bezel 180 degrees. Make sure the 800 lumen light is facing the body of the flashlight. Be careful not to pinch the 4 thin wires attached to the light bezel. You are now ready to reassemble your flashlight. Congratulations, you have successfully modified your light. I hope this video helps you. If you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe.